Introduction to Low Voltage Power Distribution. Earthing System Introduction. In this section, we will introduce basic concepts of power distribution. Connecting the metallic parts of an installation or electric appliance, such as a generator transformer, to the earth is called earthing. IEC 60364 distinguishes three categories of earthing arrangements using the two-letter codes TN, TT, and IT. The first letter indicates the connection between the earth and the power supply equipment. T indicates direct connection of a point with earth. I indicates earth isolation, with no point connected, except perhaps via a high impedance. The second letter indicates the connection between the earth and the electrical device being supplied. T indicates the connection is a local direct connection, usually via a ground rod. N indicates the connection is supplied by the electricity supply network, either as a separate protective earth conductor or combined with the neutral conductor, TN, IT, and TT. This is TN earthing system. As one of the points in the generator or transformer, usually the star point in a three-phase system, is connected to the earth. The body of the electrical device is connected to the earth via this connection. There are three types of TN connections: TNC, TNS, and TNCS. TNC. In this type, there is a combined conductor called protective earth neutral, PEN, which is connected to earth at the source. TNS. In this type, separate conductors for protective earth and neutral run from customer's electrical installation to the source. They are connected only at the power source. TNCS. In this type, part of the system uses a combined PEN conductor for earthing, and the remaining part uses a separate conductor for PE and N. Usually, the combined PEN conductor is used near the source of the system. The TT system. In this type, the customer employs their own local earth connection on premises, which is independent of any earth connection at the source side. This type of earthing is preferred in telecommunication applications because it is free of any high or low frequency noise that comes through neutral wire connected to the equipment. IT type of earthing system. There is either no connection to earth, or there is a high impedance earthing connection. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.